Milwaukee Valve has been making valves in Wisconsin since 1901. Now you can download free CAD models of your favorite products right from the website. From Milwaukee Valve's homepage, click 2D and 3D CAD files. Select the product family and series you need. Then use the filters on the left to configure the product to match your design specs. On the right, you see an interactive 3D model of the part you configured, which you can rotate and zoom to see the product in up-close detail. When you're happy with the product, click the CAD Download tab. Here you can choose to download a 3D PDF datasheet that includes a 3D viewer, technical drawings, and the product specs. To download a CAD model, click Generate CAD. Click Add Formats. Here you can choose from over 150 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works natively in your CAD software. Then click Start Generation. Once the file has loaded, click Download. For more CAD downloads and quality valve solutions, visit MilwaukeeValve.com and check out PartSolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.